This is the 2-pack WORKPRO 10-slot pliers organizational set. We're going to use the word tools to mean tools that you find in a garage. You can put hammers and screwdrivers and wrenches and pliers and all kinds of stuff in here. But this is surprisingly a smart organizer for different kinds of creative chaos. So I am going to be showing you how to use this in a crafting area or a workroom. I like the 20 narrow slots. This measures right under 10 inches, and this can be used for crafts as well. You can put rulers, you could put glue sticks, you can put scissors. Okay, the slots are so nice. You could put your glue gun. You can put a gemming tool in here for a dance craft room. All right, so there are non-slip rubber feet on the bottom, which is going to keep this lightweight and keep the supplies from tipping over. Okay, very nice. Lightweight plastic, doesn't snag yarn, fray brushes, or scratch finished pieces. The modular design lets you connect the racks. You could connect the racks right here as your craft collection grows. These fit so neatly in drawers or cubbies or on shelves in the garage or in a crafting area. Okay, this lets you see everything you have at once. Everything is organized, which is half of the battle in any crafting or workspace. I highly recommend this 2-pack 10-slot pliers organizational set. The opinions in this review are mine, based on my actual use and testing of the product. The product was provided by the brand.